That's the rack?
Holy.
Oh, shit. All right, ladies and germs, boys and girls, everyone in the club getting tipsy. It's your host of the most, Paul Cantu, with a brand new trip to the thrift, and a legend has returned. After 3 months of being gone, he is finally here.
You already know what it is. Little kinky twist. Hair long, dick longer, Garrett.
Tell the people where you been at, man.
You already know I've been locked up again, man.
You been locked up, man?
Hell yeah.
What happened, man?
Shit, they caught me with the guns again, dog.
Caught you with the guns?
Hell yeah, man.
Not a star. Somebody lied, I got a chopper in the car.
What you found, big boy?
I found that Marshall Falk. Roms. Puma.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Fuck you talking about. This is my sponsor, baby. You dig?
I hopped out the coupe and I'm pressing the bitch.
Yo, the back of this shirt, so hard, bruh. You got motherfucker juggling cards, but in the front, what is that? What you got, baby?
Hey, I got that Slaughterhouse exclusive, Garrett. Campworth Farms.
Hey, bro. We got another one. A Slaughterhouse exclusive, baby.
Slaughterhouse exclusive,
The
Garrett.
Todd Geesit Farms.
Nah, bro, that's competition for Campworth, bro. We can't show that.
Oh, my fault. I'll blur it out. Hey, man. We got Texas' very own Cactus Jack in the building. Oh, stroke my cactus. It's lit. Hey, man. Hide your ninja stars, because we got the U.S. Polo Assassins in the building, baby. Watch out, Ralphie. They coming for your head.
Niggas lose your vest, I'm taking headshots.
What we got here, blood?
Got that 2 Chainz exclusive. Billie Jean red leather, same color
Red Lobster, huh?
Yeah. Billie Jean red leather, same color red lobster.
Bro, you came up in here or something? I see you got the LS Red tag on this chest, Ralph Lauren. That thing a custom piece, and it's the Adidas collab.
Facts.
Uh-oh. What we got here? A little Tammy for your mammy. It says, as is? Why does it say AS? Is something wrong with this? All right, got all the buttons. Hold up. Oh, this hoe clean, bro. That's what they talking about. $3.
Spread my wings and fly.
Damn. Saying about this piece now?
I said it's nice. It's nice, you know, thin, light crew neck, only lightly cum stained on.
Bro, that person was trying to run away and they hit him with the load. Sheesh. Hey, what this is, boy?
Hey, bro, that's that Freddy Krueger.
That Freddy Krueger went to the North Pole. Hey, man, I just love these clean little holiday essentials, though. I'm gonna grab that regardless. What is this piece right here? Does the sleeve deceive? Oh, that little cast on these hats. What that is?
This sleeve didn't deceive.
Hey, bro, this is that Jewel House, baby.
That whole hard. Trippy.
Ooh, that Ted's Motorcycle World. Don't put it out with your boots, Ted.
Don't put it out with your boots, Tad.
Don't tell me my business, devil woman.
Bro, that's that equestrian human racer collab. Hey, or human race collab, bro. Why does this hoe look so realistic, though?
For one so small, you seem so strong.
Look at his arms. Jesus, his arm is as long as my dick. We should upgrade his outfit.
Facts.
Bro, like, yo, on the low, we could fit hella thrift loot in here. Like, look at this. Bro, that shit go deep. Don't act like you don't know what that is.
I don't.
That's a hat for our monkey, boy. Come on, son, bring that over here. We gotta upgrade his head
I
game.
don't think you realize how heavy this is.
I don't think you realize how strong his neck is. We can reinforce him too with the pole. Damn, that shit heavy as fuck. Like, look at his hat, bro. This fool shiny. Look at that young boy. Hold up. Look at that young boy. What are you talking about? Is that real gold or fool's gold, Kinky? Oh, that's real gold. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Is this frowned upon in the animal kingdom to wear another animal's fur? Yo, that's low-key a fit. This fool looking like an Arabian prince. All right, man, let's go ahead and put this garment. Look at the thread count, too. And you know what? Our little thing chooses not to identify, so that's why a piece such as this with the flowers definitely works on it. I mean, on Zer. You ready for this? Look how it slides out. Something about that doesn't look natural. Tell me why this fool looks like a damn king. Or a queen. Shh. Swag.
Sway.
Fuck you know about this chimp life. Hey, this is a fine piece of fabric right here. Slide that arm in there. There we go. Hey, pull the arm, bro. Pull the arm. Pull up. You know that shit long?
Yeah, that shit hard.
That shit too hard, boy. Y'all can't tell us we don't know how to keep that monkey looking funky, boy. Yes. Damn, son. That boy crispy with the shits, boy.
That boy got fur on fur.
Hell yeah. Yeah. All right, boy. So that boy looking fly. We're gonna see if they'll do a bundle deal on the whole outfit. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's just a quick $6 acquisition. There's a girl in the corner staring at me like I'm crazy. But you crazy. I'm trying to see how much my baby is worth here. I'm gonna leave him right here. Oh. Damn. Got a few accessories on him, you know what I'm saying? You're just gonna leave him hanging around like that? He's so cute. He was born that way. Yeah. He came that swaggy, you know? I mean, hey, it is what it is. What's the damage on that boy? $8.88. Bro, 888 is worth it. He doesn't need a bag either. I don't want him to suffocate out there. Coming home with me, Poppy. Hey, Mary, you see my son? He's cute. Does he look like me? It's a credit card. Hey, watch out. That's my fault. Hey, you guys already know what time it is, man. Made the ultimate acquisition. Caught the sun live in the thrift trenches. You dig what I'm saying? This boy is so fly, man. He's a spitting image of me and Kinky. If we had a baby, this is what would be the result of our child fucking. Or us fucking each other. Excuse me. Yeah, right there, baby. That big money. Hey, go ahead. Let the people see.
Flexing on him once. Mm-hmm.
All right, man. We're outside the next spot, which is Hillcroft, which always gets my dick off soft. So about to go in there and see if they have any exciting finds. Yeah, dig what I'm saying. Hey, so I gotta shout out my thrift guardian. Big Pip over here got me this sick magnetic bumper sticker. It says my other ride is your mother. Factuals.
Facts.
What's up?
Textiles, bro, in this shirt.
Oh, the textiles.
Like, look at that.
Oh, that's fresh off the loom, baby.
Yes, sir.
That's hand knitted Peruvian.
Mexican blanket.
Oh.
Pattern.
You know, I like them white because they get a whole crew neck. Fuck, you got this made? You got this made in USA Nike crew neck. What's up?
We got the Blackhawks jersey.
Woo!
Shout out Kane.
Hey man, that's embroidered too. Hey,
Facts.
you know my car's foreign. And you know what my polo is? Ralph Lauren. Nah. No? No?
Hard.
What you found, man?
Bro, I found that Alcoholics exclusive. The Jack Daniels Tennessee whiskey.
Yeah, boy.
Got Jack Daniels on the sleeve.
Mm-hmm.
Jack Daniels on the titty.
Oh, number 7 brand. My God, look at the thread count on that whiskey, boy. Sheesh. Hey, that's that girl on girl action. It's that Hard Rock Lisbon.
Shut the fuck up, bitch!
Hey man, but real talk, you got 2 Hard Rock Cafe teas. You guys know you ain't winning if you ain't twinning. Hard Rock Cafe St. Louis and Hard Rock Cafe Lisbon. Someone's trying to forget their tourist memories, bro. That's a straight fact. Yo, that's a nice essential, bro. That's a cob, dog. You can layer with that, boy.
Facts.
Yo, that looks like a turtle in the watercolor scheme, boy. Like it just poked its shell out a little bit.
What's
You know
the
what I'm
red?
saying? The red. Come on, man. Come on, we talking predominant colors, man.
Hey,
the red
man.
might be
Hey.
the red rocket of the turtle. Pew, take off. Pew, pew. Yo, this is that sex after 40 stuff. It's called a lucky stiff, you dig?
Niggas iffy, Blicky got the stiffy,
What this is, bro?
That's that That's that shit from that Mexico bingo.
Mm-hmm. That low bedalo.
Facts. I found the Chelsea.
Okay. Yo, Chelsea.
I believe that's one of
Yes,
them,
sir.
one of them soccer teams.
European, baby. Yeah.
I don't know who Chelsea is, but I'd smack.
Hey, man. Also, we got some more soccer themed gear. You got the Umbro that gets you hella hose vintage windbreaker. And, you know, Kurt Codeine over here found the beautiful Codeine vintage windbreaker. Look at the little detail. And then you also got that Tommy for your mommy.
Tommy for your mommy.
Hunter Chester Cheeto orange, a little button up. Thing is clean. Should just get you hella what?
Bitches.
Sweat so drippy. So bussin'.
They don't fit.
Damn it. Like, are they small?
Yes, they're
or-
small, man. I can't fit in them, man.
Nah, but you got big ass feet. So are they like small, or are they?
You know what they say? Big feet, big socks. Bro, look, man. My darn heels hanging out.
Oh shit, that'll probably fit me.
Shit, you wanna slide? You wanna
Hell
slide,
no.
bro? You trying to slide, dude?
Hell no.
Bro, I ain't got athlete's foot no more, dude. I was curd.
Nah, I don't want to hear it.
Bro, I was curd a long
Bro,
time
you had
ago.
strep.
Yeah, strep toes. Strep toes. What we got here, man? There you go. Get a good whiff of it.
The taste of it, the smell of it, the texture.
It's real gold. That's how you know it's real.
Yeah, that's real when it's connected like that. Bro, these fools gone off half a Zan.
I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land, had me out like a light.
Hey man, we got some Wild Western shit. You got this Kiwi Green Fort Hayes tee. Got Calamity Jane, Wild Bill Hickok, and Chief Red Cloud. And we also got Stonewall Kinky right here chilling. I also found the Signal Sport Wolf tee. Very, very clean, dope. But this shirt is sick. Look at the print, dude. You got wolves running around. Got Native Americans on horses. Got cowboys. Got cougar paw prints. Maybe those are damn wolf prints. I don't know, but sing hard in this hoe.
What?
Hell yeah. Boys rocking the Marlboro jacket yesterday, and we done found another one. Shout out everyone smoking those cancer sticks. Go ahead and injure yourself for life. Oh, why you had to do it to him? Boy Kinky just pulled out the Polo Bear by Ralph Lauren. That boy swinging that racket like it ain't nothing to it. How you feel about that find, buddy?
It's hard. And that bear swinging that racket like I swing my dick, you heard?
Oh, and there it is, baby. Nike boys, we don't do three stripes. Look at the giant check on the sleeve, brothers.
Chill out.
Oh, my fault, my fault.
Stripes over checks.
That's the rack? Oh, shit. Yo. No way.
Oh, this the rack.
Damn. That boy Kinky just came up with the 2 bear back-to-back finds. Holy hell. Yo. This is on that old school Anvil tag. Holy shit, man. That Kanye West graduation tee. Bro, circa 2007. Look at that bear, man. Damn, bears on bears. Lord have mercy. God bless America. No place else. This shirt is hard as hell. It's at Washington, D.C. Cut and sew little tee. Ooh, okay, baby. We heating up. Check this out, kiddos. You have that authentic champion USA gear. All right.
We got that trophy like a champion. Fell asleep right on the jet. We gone.
Yeah, so that's one thing. But then when you flip and dip it, look at that big embroidered champion on the back. That C on the motherfreaking sleeve. Blessings abound, baby. Hey, show me that little animated thought. Yeah, that Betty Bopper, boy.
Bro, she thick as fuck.
She bootleg too. Hey, man, I got that Tammy for your mammy in the Green Bay Packers colorway, boy. What you know about that? As much life as I live, I've come to realize you never can tame that pussy.
Hey, you already know. Coming out with the bag, we got hella shit in there, bro. Going wild in these trenches, dog.
Bro, it's like we took over the whole store with just one
Facts.
bag, man.
Facts.
Just one big old bag full of fire, baby.
Hella shit, bro.
Hell yeah. So that's how it goes, ladies and germs. Hey, man, if you guys want any vintage gear, you already know, thriftheavenvintage.com is the place to go. is linked in the description down below, so check out that hoe.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.